Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to Crypto for Newbies, Understanding Virtual Currency, your go-to channel for all things related to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to trade cryptocurrency derivatives on Bybit, a user-friendly platform that allows you to buy and sell virtual currencies with ease. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of cryptocurrency, this beginner's guide will provide you with all the information you need to get started on Bybit. So, sit back and join us as we walk you through the basics of signing up, depositing funds, placing trades, and managing risk on Bybit. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you so much. Now let's move on. Cryptocurrency trading can be intimidating for beginners, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can also be a profitable venture. First, let's talk about what cryptocurrency derivatives are. Simply put, they're financial instruments that allow traders to speculate on the price movements of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the underlying assets. Bybit offers several types of derivatives, including futures contracts and perpetual contracts. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Bybit and deposit some funds. Check the link in the description to sign up. When you sign up using this link, you will receive your 5,030 USDT now. From there, you can navigate to the trading interface and choose the type of derivative you want to trade. Bybit offers a variety of trading tools and features to help you analyze the market and make informed trades. These include real-time market data, technical analysis tools, and risk management features. Trading fees and commission can significantly impact your profitability when trading on Bybit. When trading on Bybit, it's crucial to understand the trading fees and commissions that apply to your trades. These fees can have a significant impact on your overall profitability, and failing to account for them can result in unexpected losses. Bybit charges trading fees that vary depending on the type of contract you're trading and the size of your position. For example, if you're trading BTC, USD perpetual contracts, you'll be charged a maker fee of 0.025% and a taker fee of 0.075%. However, if you're trading ETH, USD perpetual contracts, you'll be charged a maker fee of 0.05% and a taker fee of 0.075%. In addition to trading fees, Bybit also charges funding fees, which are applied to your account every 8 hours to compensate for the interest rate difference between the two currencies in the contract. These fees can either be positive or negative, depending on whether you're long or short on the position. To minimize your trading fees and maximize your profitability on Bybit, it's essential to understand how these fees work and develop a trading strategy that takes them into account. Consider using limit orders to reduce your trading fees or trading larger positions to take advantage of Bybit's volume-based fee discounts. Overall, understanding and managing your trading fees and commissions is a critical part of successful trading on Bybit. By doing so, you'll be able to make more informed trading decisions and improve your chances of profitability. After a successful trade, you'll want to withdraw your funds from Bybit. The withdrawal process is straightforward, but it's important to know how to do it properly. After a successful trade on Bybit, you can easily withdraw your funds by following a few simple steps. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the Assets tab. From there, select Withdraw, and choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and the address you want to send it to. It's important to make sure that you enter the correct address, as sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of your funds. Bybit also has withdrawal limits in place to ensure the security of your funds, so make sure to check these limits before initiating a withdrawal. Once you have confirmed all the details, click on Submit to initiate the withdrawal. Your funds will typically be sent to the designated address within a few minutes, depending on the network congestion of the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your funds from Bybit and enjoy your profits. Finally, Bybit offers a variety of resources to help traders, including a comprehensive help center and community forum. These resources can be invaluable for learning more about trading strategies and troubleshooting any issues you may encounter. With these tips and resources, you'll be well on your way to successfully trading cryptocurrency derivatives on Bybit. Congratulations! You now know the basics of trading cryptocurrency derivatives on Bybit. Remember to always do your research and manage your risk carefully when trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel, Crypto for Newbies, Understanding Virtual Currency, for more informative content on the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. The link to our article on how to trade cryptocurrency derivatives on Bybit, a beginner's guide, is in the description, and that of signing up to Bybit, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!